Educational GMAT. Your partner in your GMAT journey.
For each of the years 2012, 2013, 2014, and 2015. So yeah. So there is a certain bank. There's a certain bank. So the data presented is for that bank, right? So, for example, in 2001, 2000, not 2012, sorry. In 2012, 23 businesses increased their holdings. Holdings means you can say the amount in that bank vis-a-vis January 1st of 2011. So basically, so this is comparing what? January 1st of 2011 and January 1st of 2012. Similarly, this is comparing what? Can someone tell me? January 1st, 2012 and to January 1st, 2013. In this duration, 34 businesses increase their holdings, and this is the average increase. Similarly, in this period, 33 businesses decreased their holdings, and this is the average decrease. Average decrease obviously means average decrease per business. Are we clear with the table? Okay. Based on the information for each of the following years, following years is this. Each of the following years, select increased from 2012 if on January 1st of that year, the total value of all business holdings at the bank had increased from January 1st of 2012. Now that's the question, right? Let's look at this. In 2013, did the total value of the total value of all the business holdings in 2013, did it increase from January 1st, 2012, or did it decrease? So you are saying increased. Isha, how did you arrive at that? How did you arrive at that? Very nice approach. Now, we don't need to calculate what it was for 2012. All right. Let us say in 2012, the total value of holdings of all the banks is $X. Right. Now, what happened in 2013? That $X, right? $X, first of all, it increased by 34 into 38K. This was the increase. And what was the decrease? Minus. Yes, can you guide me? What was the decrease? Yes. Absolutely. 33 into 37K, right? Now you don't have to do the actual calculation. It's very clear. We are multiplying 34 into 38 while and adding it. And what are we subtracting? 33 into 37. So clearly this 34 into 38 is obviously greater than 33 into 37. So which means the addition is more than the subtraction. So the increase is more than the decrease, which clearly means that in 2013, there was an increase, right? Because this clearly will be positive. All right. Now, can you tell me what are we supposed to find out here? Absolutely. Now, that's the point. 2014 is not as per, right, as per this question, 2014 is not supposed to be compared with 2013. 2014 is to be compared with 2012. Similarly, 2015 is uh, also needs to be compared with 2012. Okay. How about 2014, by the way? How about 2014?
Did not increase.
Now, notice, very nice. Now, notice what would give us in 2014 is, notice this, this was on 1st January 2013, correct? And what happened in 2014? Very nice. So, to the excellent, excellent. So, in 2014, what will happen is plus 28 into 30, right? Minus 39 into 41, right? Now what we are asking is this value greater than x or lesser than x? Agreed? Sorry. Now, if you look at this, if you look at this, if you look at this, we are adding a small value, right? And we are subtracting a humongous value here, 39 into 41, right? So clearly then this, right, this number would be negative, right? So making 2014 holdings lesser than what they were in 2012. Okay. So 2012, basically, we assumed as X, right? So 2012 was X. Now, in 2013, what happened? 2X, this much got added, this much got subtracted, which we agreed was a net addition, right? So from 2012 to 2013, this was X plus something and hence increased. So now this was basically in 2013, this entire thing, right, was in 2013, correct? In 2014, what happened? This much got added, this much got subtracted, which would be, if that's what I'm saying, if you calculate this, this would be X minus something. Because ultimately we have to compare everything with X, which was in 2012. So this would be x minus something. For that reason, did not increase. Now in 2015, what happened? Again, we'll continue with this, right? How much got added? Plus 32 into 31. And how much got subtracted? 35 into 36. Now I think this is not difficult at all. Now actually this is not difficult at all. Clearly this, whatever we are adding in 2015 is lesser than what we are subtracting, right? So now think about it logically. Think about it logically. In 2014 also it was a subtraction. In 2015 it is even further subtraction. See, even till this point it was a negative, right? And this is further negative. So which means we are again lesser than what we were in 2012. Are we clear? So if you look at it, just a bit of an observation helps. There is really no calculation needed, honestly. Any doubt here, guys? Any doubt?